everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk through what you need to know about Journey by Mediavine. Now, Journey by Mediavine is an ad management solution designed for smaller publishers with websites starting at around 10,000 monthly sessions. It allows publishers to tap into Mediavine's cutting-edge ad technology and first-party data solutions. The key benefits are: 1. Access to premium advertisers. So Journey by Mediavine provides access to Mediavine's network of premium advertisers, potentially increasing ad revenue. Number 2, it gives you first-party data solutions. It requires your installation of Grow, which is Mediavine's first-party data solution, which helps publishers to collect and manage their own data. And the third benefit is that it has faster integration. Journey allows for faster integration into the main Mediavine network, making it easier for smaller publishers to monetize their websites. So, the fourth benefit you can get from using it is self-service platform. Journey offers a self-service platform with automated onboarding and less support compared to Mediavine's full ad management solution. And lastly, Journey by Mediavine is fully free with no cost or payments required. Now, the only requirements you need are a website traffic, that is, website should have around 10,000 monthly sessions to be eligible for Journey by Mediavine, and then Grow installation. Publishers, that is, you need to install Grow. Once you get on the page, the first page you see, you're going to see where you can get the option to install. You can see it right on the screen. So click on install. So you install Grow. So Mediavine's first-party solution on their site for at least 30 days before you apply for Journey. Now, who are people that can use it? Smaller publishers. It is designed for smaller publishers who want to monetize their websites and access premium advertisers. And also designed for bloggers with growing websites that they are the ones that can benefit from Journey's ad management solution. In summary, Journey by Mediavine is a free ad management solution that helps smaller publishers monetize their websites with access to premium advertisers and first-party data solutions. It's a great option for bloggers and smaller publishers looking to increase their ad revenue. So if you belong to this category, what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.